This built-in single oven from Hoover is ideal for households that want a low-maintenance model with great features to help them create amazing meals. With a large 65-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a large household or like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunction oven with great settings such as fan grilling and defrost. The pizza function is specially designed to cook your favourite pizzas to perfection. The fan at the back of the oven circulates warm air around the cavity, which heats up your pizza's topping. At the same time, the bottom element of your oven warms up the base of your food. So, your toppings will always be succulent and your pizza base will be satisfyingly crisp every time. Hoover's amazing hydrolytic feature uses steam to leave your oven spotless. Simply pour 300 millilitres of water into the container in the bottom of the oven and choose the cleaning function from the control panel. The water is rapidly heated and released into the oven, which loosen any dried-on food, so all it needs is a quick wipe with a cloth. Now, after enjoying that juicy rack of lamb, you can relax instead of spending hours cleaning. If you're looking for a built-in single oven with great features to help you create amazing meals, this low-maintenance model from Hoover is the perfect one for you.